For the Grade 8 Technology project, you would need to access the content from your class notebook in Teams. So when we're in Teams, we're going to go to, let's say, Technology 8Y, General, and then I'm going to go to my class notebook. Once the notebook is open, click on the Show Navigation, the Books icon, scroll down to your name, and open the Projects folder. And then open the Grade 8 Tech project. These are the instructions to your project, which I have posted. You need to please work through this. And at the bottom of this is where you can insert your own content. So you can insert a Word file here, you can put a picture in here, you can use your phone to insert something from its camera. So you go to Insert, these are your options. There's File from Camera, you can insert an audio clip, and you can also insert a file printout, please. This must be a Word or a PDF document. If I do this, it will open the entire file and display that file in an open format on this page. Okay, have fun, and remember to submit photographs of your projects as you're building them through this picture from camera, which you can do from your cell phone.